Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Miss Sidwat. I hope you all are fine. So today we will do missing numbers. Missing numbers from 1 to 50. So let's start. Now look at this box. There are so many numbers are written and some number are missing. So let's see. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Oh, here is an empty box. So which number will come after 3? Yes, you will write number 4. So what comes after 4? 5, 6, 7. What comes after 7? 8. Write number 8 in the empty box. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now what comes after 13? 14. Write 1, 4, 14 in the box. Then 15, 16. Again there is an empty box. What comes after 16? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Then what comes after 22? 23. So write 2, 3, 23 in the box. Then 24, 25, 26. What comes after 26? Yes, 27. Write 27 in the box. 28, 29. Oh, which number will come after 29? Yes, it's 30, 30. So write number 30 in the empty box. Then 31, 32, 33, 34. Which number will come after 34? 35. Write number 35, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. Then after 40 there is an empty box. What you will write in the box? What comes after 40? 41. Write 41, 41. Then 42, 43. What comes after 43? Yes, 44. 44, 45, 46, 47. Which number will come after 47? 48. So write 48, 48, 49. And which number will come in the last? 50, 50. So students, take out your pencils and copies and start practicing. And so see you next week with some another work. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.